Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be a 24 hours of eating only either Asda Smart Price food or Asda's own brand food. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit nervous because I don't actually know how any of this tastes, so I'm excited to try it, but I feel as though some of it's gonna be not the best, but let's try it. So as you can see, I'm in my work uniform because I'm currently picking my mum up, and then I've got a shift to do. So when I finish the shift, I'm gonna go and get all the stuff I need to film this video. So I really hope you guys enjoy this, and I'll see you when I'm shopping for the food. Okay guys, so I've got all of my shopping. So all of this literally costed me like £11 something. I'll put the exact price on the screen. I'm quite happy with that. Like, I was expecting to spend like 20 quid at least, considering my normal shopping is like £80. So that's quite a bargain, but we'll see how it all tastes tomorrow. But fingers crossed, I like some of it, but yeah, I will see you guys in the morning when it's time for breakfast and the 24-hour challenge begins. So I've just realised that I've actually forgot to get something for dinner tomorrow, so I'm gonna have to go back to Asda tomorrow to get a ready meal for dinner. And I really didn't want to have to go back, but looks like I'm gonna have to, and that really sucks. Good morning, everybody. Oh my god, I look an absolute state.
Oh, no, 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 no.
The time is 8:07 and I've literally just woke up and I'm really struggling to keep my eyes open. But it's the morning, and that means the 24 hours of only eating Asda Smart Price food and Asda's own brand food has officially started. I'm gonna get out of bed, put my nightgown on, go downstairs and make my breakfast. So I will see you when I'm downstairs. Okay guys, so we are downstairs and we are about to make breakfast. So today I've decided to go with a fry up, and I've got the Smart Price sausages. Now some people have actually said these are quite nice, so I'm kind of excited to try these. Got some Smart Price chips. Now they didn't have any Smart Price bacon, so I had to get the Asda Farm Stories unsmoked bacon. Then I've got crispy potato waffles, I've got orange juice, I've got my eggs, and I've got some bread to make some toast. So I've just put the oven on to preheat, and that should take around 10 to 15 minutes. And then I will update you guys when I'm putting the food in. It just preheated and I've just put the food in, and that is going to take around 16 minutes. So around 13 minutes I'm going to start doing the eggs. So I've got the pan ready for when it's time, and then I'm going to start cooking the bacon. So I've just put the hob on to start heating up the oil so I can start cooking the eggs and bacon. So when that's heated up, I will put in the eggs and then we will cook the bacon. So I've just put the egg in to cook, so hopefully that doesn't take too long. Then we can put that on the plate along with the rest of the stuff, and then I'm going to start cooking the bacon. Hey guys, so I've just put the bacon in to cook. Also, I'm really sorry about the noise, but we have quite an old fan extractor, so it's just a bit noisy now. But the bacon is now in to cook, so I'm going to leave that for a minute, and then when it's ready, flip it over and do the other side. Okay guys, so here is the finished product. This actually looks so good, but let's see how it tastes. I will update you when I have eaten this. Okay guys, so I've just eaten the breakfast and it wasn't too bad. I was expecting a lot worse, but I think my favourite thing was probably the bacon and the toast. I mean, you can't go wrong with toast, like, it's bread and a bit of butter. You just can't go wrong. The sausages, they were okay, but I've definitely had a lot better. I think the thing that's put me off the most is the fact there's only like 34% pork in them. And I prefer just a bit higher percentage, but they weren't too bad. And the orange juice, that's just a no. Like, that was just the most gross thing I've tasted. But yeah, it wasn't too bad. Like, it was fine. So I'd probably give that breakfast a 6 out of 10. I feel that might be a bit No, I'm gonna give it a 6 out of 10 because it wasn't the worst thing I've ever had, but yeah. So I'm gonna go have a quick bath, get ready, and then we need to pop back to Asda to go get the ready meal that I forgot to get yesterday.
You gotta notice, hey, I'm falling in love. You're feeling something, hey, you cannot control. Just in time you came, and you changed all my perspective. Just in time you came, and I love it, I love it. It's so great to have in my life, make me feel so lucky, yeah. It's so great to have in my life, make me feel so lucky, yeah.
Okay guys, so outfit of the day. So we're literally gonna head to Asda now and go get the ready meal that I forgot to get yesterday. Okay guys, so we have just arrived at Asda and the queue is huge. Like, why didn't I just remember to get a ready meal yesterday? Then we wouldn't have had to go all through this and stand in a queue. So this is great. So I'm gonna go get in the queue now, and then I'll let you guys know once I'm back in the car. Okay, we are back in the car and I have got my ready meal. So now we've just got to drive home, and then I think I'm gonna get a snack and then do lunch a little bit later, and then we'll have dinner. So I'll see you guys when I'm back at the house and when I'm making my snack. Okay guys, so for my snack, I'm going to go with the lightly salted tortilla chips and some hot salsa. And I think I'm just going to go onto Disney Plus and put a movie on. I'm not too sure which one yet, but we'll decide that when I'm up there. And I think around 1:30 I'm gonna start making my lunch. So yeah, I'm gonna put these into a bowl and then I'm gonna go chill for a bit. Okay, so snack was pretty self-explanatory. Snack was 10 out of 10. I mean, it's tortilla chips and salsa. Like, I don't think you can get that wrong. But yeah, that was a 10 out of 10 and I really enjoyed that. So now we're gonna get onto my lunch. So let's make that. So for lunch, we have got the Asda Smart Price pasta and then the Asda spicy tomato pasta sauce. So that is going to be my lunch today, and I'm going to cook that now. And here is the finished pasta. So I'm just going to wait for the cheese to melt, because they didn't have any grated cheese in the store, so I had to use these cheese singles. So we're going to wait for that to melt, and then again I'm just going to go finish watching my movie and just chill for a bit. Okay, so I've just finished my bowl of pasta, and honestly, it wasn't the best. I'd probably give it like a 3 out of 10. Like, it just wasn't for me. And I was literally dying for a Lloyd Grossman sauce. Never again. Like, no. So yeah, I've just finished that, and I'm literally just gonna chill again. Because obviously there's not really a lot else I can do, because obviously we're in lockdown, so we have to stay in. I mean, like, bored. I'm really bored. But yeah, so I'm gonna finish watching the movie. I'm just gonna chill for a bit, and I think I might do like a skincare routine later. I think I might do like a face mask and chill. Yeah, it's not really a lot else I can do.
Yes, in time you came, and I love it, I love it. It's so great to have in my life, make me feel so lucky, feel so lucky. It's so great to have in my life, make me feel so lucky, feel so lucky, feel so lucky, feel so lucky. Lucky.
guys, so I'm gonna start making my dinner. For dinner, I'm gonna be having the Asda Smart Price chicken curry and rice. And this takes 4 minutes to make. So I'm gonna put this in the microwave now, and then when it's cooked, I will show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so I'm not even kidding. I've just gone to take the cling film off, and like, what the heck? Is that supposed to happen? Was that me? I don't know, but that's a bit annoying. Okay, so this is the curry all plated up. I'm not gonna lie, like, it smells really good, but then again, that might just be because I'm hungry, but we'll see how it tastes, and I'll let you guys know once I finish this. Okay guys, so I've just finished my curry, and it wasn't too bad actually. Like, it's not the worst thing I've ever eaten. I think I'm gonna give it like a 6 out of 10, because yeah, it really wasn't too bad, but the only thing that was annoying was there wasn't a lot of chicken. I think I had like 3 little bits of chicken in it, but apart from that, it was alright. I quite liked it, but yeah. So now I finished that, I think I'm just gonna sit on my bed for a bit, maybe watch another movie. I feel as though you're all gonna think I'm like so lazy, but like, what else is there to do at the moment? Like, can't go out anywhere, can't go see friends, so I'm just gonna sit in my bed and watch movies. So I will update you guys a little bit later on what I'm doing, and I'll see you all soon. So I've decided to try and learn a TikTok dance, and for copyright reasons, I'm gonna have to mute the actual music used in the video and use a non-copyrighted music. Okay, so it is 9:10 and I'm feeling like I need another little snack. So I have got the Asda Smart Price low fat natural yogurt, and I'm just gonna sit here, finish watching the movie I'm watching, and just eat my yogurt because I'm getting really hungry again. It is 10 p.m. and I'm gonna go to bed because I am super tired, and I will see you guys in the morning when the 24-hour challenge ends. See you guys in the morning. Good night. Good morning, everybody. So the time is 9:03. And that means the 24 hours eating only as the Smart Price food and as the branded food has ended. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.